Think you're living an eco-friendly life? You might be surprised. Some of your daily habits are secretly harming the planet. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix them in easy ways. Stick around for number 3. It's something we all do without realizing the damage. Running water while brushing teeth. This wastes up to 4 gallons per minute. Instead, turn off the tap while brushing, saving over 1,400 gallons a year. Using plastic bags and bottles. A single plastic bag takes 1,000 years to decompose. Use reusable bags and bottles to cut waste. Throwing away leftovers. Food waste is a huge problem. It leads to methane emissions. Instead, compost your scraps or donate extra food. Fast fashion shopping. Trendy clothes equal more waste. Try thrifting or buying sustainable brands to reduce pollution. Leaving devices on standby. Even when OFF, electronics drain power. Unplug them or use a power strip to save energy. Overusing paper towels. The paper industry destroys 80,000 trees daily. Use reusable cloths instead. Buying single-use coffee cups. Most coffee cups aren't recyclable. Bring a reusable cup to your favorite cafe. Using chemical air fresheners. These release harmful toxins into your home. Swap them for essential oil diffusers or houseplants. Wasting electricity. Leaving lights on wastes energy. Use LED bulbs and switch off when not needed. Ignoring recycling rules. Recycling wrong can contaminate entire batches. Learn your local recycling rules for better waste management. Now imagine if everyone changed just one of these habits. The impact would be huge. Which habit are you going to change first? Drop a comment if you're committed to a greener life. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more ways to make a difference.